Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen from call to action button backgrounds and how to seamlessly apply them to your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive in. Alright, as you can see, I've got two stock footage clips in my project panel that I'll be using for this tutorial. I also have some free call to action buttons that I've made available for you to download and to make use of in your project. I'll be giving you all these assets for free. So if you are interested in using any of these CTAs in your videos, you can find the download link in the video description. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to drag my video clip into the timeline. Let's expand this a bit, and I'm going to bring in my green screen background into the timeline as well, and I'll make sure that the green screen background is placed above the main footage. So let's bring the play edge to this point so that it can show. With the green screen background selected, I will head over to Effect and I will be searching for Ultra key. I'm going to drag it into the green screen background. Then I will head over to Effect Control and select this color eyedropper tool to sample the green color on the program monitor. And boom, just like that, the green screen is gone. And that's it. A quick and easy way to remove green screen backgrounds in Premiere Pro. If you want to learn how I created this custom animated subscribe button in Premiere Pro from scratch, you can go ahead and watch this video right here. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you